Beneath the vibrant green grass and nestled within layers of moist soil lie the unsung heroes of our planet, earthworms. These beings might appear simple at a glance, but they harbor secrets crucial to our ecosystem's vitality. Have you ever pondered the importance of earthworms and their role in the world? Today, we unveil the mystery. Far from being mere soil dwellers, earthworms are the soil's master engineers, playing an essential role in nurturing the earth, allowing life to flourish above. Join us as we delve into the world of earthworms and learn why they're truly the Earth's unsung heroes, highlighting the interconnectedness of all life and the balance of nature. Venturing beneath the surface, our exploration, A Day in the Life, Earthworm Biology and Habitat, reveals the complex anatomy and diverse lifestyles of earthworms. Their ability to breathe through the skin and the reproductive role of the clitellum segment signify their intricate biology. Among the 6,000 varieties, we find creatures ranging from inch-long soil dwellers to giant Australian earthworms, stretching up to 9 feet. Their habitats are equally varied, from underground burrows to moist layers of decaying leaves, each playing a pivotal role in soil health and structure. By tunneling through the earth, earthworms allow air and water to reach plant roots, showcasing their role as architects of the underground and highlighting the interconnectedness of life. This segment concludes by preparing us to challenge common misconceptions about these indispensable stewards of the planet. As our adventure peaks, we celebrate the earthworms, the incredible eco-warriors of our ecosystem. These humble creatures engineer the soil, creating channels for air and water to reach plant roots, thus fostering healthy plant growth. Their movements naturally till the soil, enhancing its fertility and supporting our forests and gardens. Moreover, earthworms enhance plant growth by leaving behind nutrient-rich castings, resulting in a natural, powerful fertilizer. This segment aims to dispel myths and underscore the earthworm's crucial role in our ecosystem. So when you next encounter an earthworm after rain, remember you're observing one of nature's most accomplished eco-warriors. Their existence is invaluable, playing a fundamental role in sustaining a balanced and healthy environment.